Best cookware for outdoor adventures. The growing demand for mechanical keyboards reflects the appeal for typists and gamers who seek tactile feedback, durability, and optimal layouts. Similarly, choosing the right camping cookware is essential for outdoor enthusiasts who value compactness, durability, and versatility on their adventures. This guide evaluates build quality, material, weight, versatility, and value to help you find the best cookware set to enhance your camping experience. List number: Stanley Adventure The Nesting 2-Cup Cook Set. The Stanley Adventure Nesting 2-Cup Cook Set is a compact and reliable choice for solo campers or pairs who prioritize durability and simplicity. Constructed from 18/8 stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion while withstanding high heat directly over campfires or stoves. This set includes a 24-ounce pot with a vented lid and 2 BPA-free insulated cups that nest perfectly inside for easy packing. The locking handle ensures safe handling and also secures everything during transport. Campers love its rugged design and how well it performs despite its minimal footprint, making it ideal for backpackers or minimalist campers looking for dependable, lightweight gear. If you value sturdiness and portability in your camp kitchen, this cook set won't disappoint. List number: Odoland 15 Pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Non-stick lightweight pot pan kettle set with stainless steel cups. The Odoland 15 Pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit offers great value and functionality for small groups or families. It includes everything you need to cook and serve meals outdoors: a non-stick pot, frying pan, kettle, 2 stainless steel cups with carabiners, and even a set of utensils, cleaning sponge, and carrying bag. Made of anodized aluminum, the pots and pans heat evenly and are easy to clean. The compact nesting design saves space in your backpack, while the lightweight construction keeps your load manageable. Many reviewers appreciate how thoughtfully designed it is, providing all the essentials without unnecessary bulk. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or car camping, this kit delivers reliable performance and convenience at a budget-friendly price point. List number: Odoland 29 Pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Non-stick, lightweight pots pan, kettle, collapsible water container, and bucket. For larger groups or extended camping trips, the Odoland 29 Pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit is a comprehensive solution. This set includes not only the usual pot, pan, and kettle, but also a collapsible water container, bucket, plates, cutlery, and cleaning tools. Perfect for up to 4 campers. The anodized aluminum cookware is lightweight yet durable, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. The collapsible water container and bucket are especially useful for washing and food prep at camp. Despite the number of pieces, everything nests compactly into the included carrying bag. Customers love the all-in-one convenience and durability, making it an excellent choice if you're cooking for a family or group and don't want to worry about missing any essentials. List number: Alocs Camping Cookware Set Camping Gear Compact Camping Pots and Pans Set. Durable hard alumina. The Alocs Camping Cookware Set strikes a perfect balance between toughness, functionality, and portability. Made from durable, hard anodized aluminum, it resists scratches and conducts heat efficiently for consistent cooking results. The set includes a pot, pan, kettle, and foldable utensils, all designed to nest into a compact package. Its sleek design and sturdy construction appeal to campers who want reliable cookware that feels premium without being heavy. The ergonomic handles are heat-resistant and fold flat for easy storage. Users rave about its build quality and compactness, making it a dependable choice for serious backpackers and outdoor adventurers who don't want to compromise on durability or cooking performance in the wild. List 5 THY Bros 17 Pieces Camping Cookware Kit. 0.45 gallon pot, 7 inches pan, 0.30 gallon kettle set with 2 set stainless steel cups, plates. The THY Bros 17 Pieces Camping Cookware Kit offers a versatile and practical solution for 2 campers. It comes with a generously sized pot, frying pan, kettle, stainless steel cups, plates, utensils, and cleaning tools, making it ideal for a complete camp kitchen. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum and stainless steel, this set provides even heating, durability, and ease of maintenance. The nested design and included carrying bag make it convenient to pack and carry. Many campers highlight its thoughtful design and how well it holds up after repeated use. Whether you're cooking breakfast at the campsite or boiling water for coffee on a mountain trail, this kit has everything you need to make outdoor dining enjoyable and stress-free.